Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted 1.6% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro rise 0.4% against the dollar. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US-listed shares of Chinese companies including PDD Holdings, JD.com, Baidu and Alibaba fell between 1.8% and 1% on concerns over the country's property market and trade relations between Washington and Beijing. British consumers increased their borrowing by less than expected in July, in a possible sign of caution among households as borrowing costs rise, Bank of England data showed. The cryptocurrency market experienced the liquidation of crypto shorts worth a staggering $120 million within a span of 24 hours. The aftermath of this ruling resulted in Bitcoin witnessing its largest daily gain in several months.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US personal income at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's unemployment rate will be released at 0755 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's construction orders at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.